See, I've got to do all this there before I go to the pub for my coffee every morning.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I'm the cute.
No, I was thinking you were.
Ah.
You're cute.
All right, it's the only way I can pick a bird up, I tell you. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I had my first jab yesterday, so.
Oh, you done the best.
Oh, yes, you've got to do it, haven't you? Otherwise, I may not be around for the birds next year.
Oh, yeah, no, we can't have that.
Yeah, I'll put you on there.
Oh, hello.
Look,
Ah.
I'm so gay.
Oh, it's so
When I'm
lovely.
considering 34 years I've been on the coast now.
I've seen you on the telly.
Yeah, I know, I've lost. Well, a few years ago I had one AFL team over here. They all insisted I get them on their heads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a Butcherbird as well?
That's only a year old though. Look, I know them all. This group I've known what 16 years now, so it's so easy.
And you just call them.
I just whistle. I used to do it in England with owls. That was 1953. I was 13, but in England it's a hobby.
So how did you learn to do the right whistle?
I was a bad bird nester. I collected eggs from when I was 8,
Right.
and I was amazed when I used to see the owls not quite frequently, so I'd always throw a little bit of meat for them there.
Yeah.
Then one day, the owl just flew straight down onto my arm. Like you see an owl this big,
Yeah, yeah.
and all the feathers. I was fascinated with the fact that it did.
Yeah.
Can you do the whistle?
And this one's got a habit now of trying to bite my ear.
I said, can you do the whistle? It sounds like a bird, eh? I said, can you do the whistle?
There it is. Here he is.
Are they coming?
There you are.
Oh wow. So you call them and they come.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
See, I've never really thought about it, but I didn't tell anyone. I've been over here since 1959. For the first 50 years, I lived in New South Wales, Victoria, and I didn't tell anyone what I used to do because I do it in the peaceful back corners there.
Yeah.
And but when they started building the surf club, and they bulldozed all the trees along here, and I wasn't going to let them be knocked off there.
No, good on you. Did you manage to save them?
Yeah.
Good on
I
you.
fed them for 9 years.
Oh wow.
Plastic.
They expect us to give it some food.
Tell you. Ah, yeah.
It sounds like a bird, eh? I said, can you do the whistle?
There it is. Here he is.
Are they coming?
Oh wow.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and leave a comment if you like any of my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.